Another Rolls-Royce Phantom Mansory completed here at RDB. This one is actually pretty different because it's in Tempest gray color. Normally you see black. We're working on two black ones right now. We did a white one recently and a silver one. But here is a lovely Tempest gray, which is Rolls-Royce's Nardo gray kind of color. And this car has actually a burgundy interior. So Tempest gray and burgundy. And as you can see, the full Mansory forged carbon fiber kit on the exterior. We painted the whole kit in Tempest gray, and the forged carbon fiber was left exposed as usual. You will also see burgundy accents throughout the exterior as well. We did a hand-painted pinstripe on the side in burgundy with the Mansory. We also opted to do the wheels this time in a smoked brushed finished instead of the usual black. So you got the smoked brushed Mansory wheels with red accents on the wheels as well to tie in obviously that exterior to the interior, which looks incredible. Car's lowered. Looks really nice. This is as sporty as a look you could get on a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Even though it's a big car, it still looks sporty, still luxury. Beautiful car right here. This is a 2023 model. This is pre-facelift with the starlights in the headlights, and you can still get this amazing look that we were used to here at RDB. So beautiful Tempest gray Rolls-Royce Phantom Mansory right here. We have plenty more builds coming up. Hit us up if you want your Mansory car or any other brands.
We have a G63 here. This wrap color is probably one of the most famous wrap colors. Very nice. Very clean, very hard to keep clean actually. So it's one of the only bad things about this color is it's hard to keep clean. You gotta always wash this thing at least once a week. Make sure everything's clean and nice so it stays this way. This is Satin Pro White. This color looks good on almost, you can wrap this color on any car and I guarantee you it'll look nice. Especially with the blacked out accents that we did. Everything's blacked out, gloss black, and Pro White wrap. All you need on this thing. That's it for this one. It's a simple, quick upgrade. Blackout with Satin Pro White wrap.
You alright?
That's not good, man. It's Argentina, bro.
All the goats are gone.
Messi, man. He don't know how to shoot the penalties, put somebody else, bro.
Oh, he missed the penalty?
He missed the penalty. Why he don't get the ball? Grab the ball and give it to the guy. You know the.
But he's good. He's good at scoring usually.
I wanted Argentina to go.
I feel sorry for Messi, man. I feel sorry for Messi because it's, he wants to go home with, you know.
That's it. I think it's done. 2-0. Oh, 72 minutes.
Right now it's a little hard to. Goal. Vámonos, Messi. Pasa la pelota. Pásala. Goal! Yeah, baby! Pasa de Messi. Ay. Woo! Look at that.
Así tiene que cabecear bien Romero.
Así.
Okay, we got a chance. We got a chance.
Eso.
Se desvía la pelota que cae al área.
Uy.
Pudo Julián Messi.
Messi! Messi fue la mamá. Yeah, baby. Yeah! Messi! Messi fue la mamá. Woo! Messi, papá, Messi. Repuso el penalti que falló el cabro.
Vamos para enganche para la zurda. Ahí va, le roba la pelota.
¡Oh! ¡No gol!
Bro, Messi is the GOAT. All-time GOAT.
Yeah, that's a nice comeback.
That's how the real goats are separated. Messi is a real goat.
With almost towards the end.
3-2. Damn, they're all fucking trained, bro.
Gabe, sorry, you're younger than Jersey Mike's today.
You happy?
Oh yeah, baby.
Wait. Go, spin more that way. Straight back.
All right, we have a Jaguar SVR, you guys. These cars are very rare. They don't make too many of these things. As much as I know, I think there's, I'm not mistaken, I may be wrong, so don't hold me to it. Because I know you guys like to bash on people that make wrong comments, but I may be wrong. But I think there's less than 10 of these made. I don't know, maybe I'm completely wrong. But you guys look it up, do your research. But yeah, this is a very, very nice car. This thing drives really nice. It's got a lot of power. Sounds great. It's got different modes on this thing too. The interior is really nice. You know, you got that nice Jaguar luxury slash sporty kind of interior. But yeah, this is a really nice Jaguar actually, not a regular one.
Brabus. Real deal 800 kits, 800 turbos sent out. And now we're gonna be finishing up the Brabus B 800 build, so excited. Oh well. All the way from Germany. Ooh. Wow, there's gold flakes on it. Sick. Brabus 800. All original, baby. You don't see this on any other channel?
You have to spend 50K to get that?
More.
Wow.
This is actually like, now with the tariffs, this is more like $56,000. Turbo upgrades, gold, flake, carbon fiber, engine covers. There's the tune in there as well somewhere. We have a beautiful 2002 Honda S2000. This car has been here for some time for a special customer of ours, and we did a lot of stuff to it. So we've wrapped it, lowered it, we changed whatever parts needed to be changed, and we just got a full interior done. This is in a beautiful, I don't even know what kind of red it is, but it's a very nice, like bright, vibrant red, and it looks awesome. This leather around the shifter got changed as well, so that makes it look that much better. The stereo and came with new speakers and a subwoofer, and this sounds really sick. I turned it on, and it sounds really good.
Still flip it, pop some tag. Spin it, spin it, spin it. Put it up in case of fans, come and get them.
What we were waiting for is just wheels. So once we get the wheels, we'll throw those on, give it a nice wash, and should be ready to go.